We have a holistic vision of security, justice, and opportunity. The PNP's plan is clear. 1, targeted security. Expand focused deterrence, empower the JCF with advanced tools, and legislate pre-charge detention protocols to disrupt organized crime. 2, prevention and social transformation. Invest in youth programs, trauma counseling, and job training. Revive initiatives like Unite for Change and the Peace Management Initiative to break cycles of violence. Number 3, anti-corruption vigilance. Strengthen the Integrity Commission, enact unexplained wealth orders, and mandate body-worn cameras and other mechanisms to restore public trust. 4, data-driven governance. Allocate resources based on evidence, not political expediency. Track financial crimes and audit public spending rigorously. In concluding on this subject, Mr. Speaker, the JLP's legacy is one of stagnation and self-interest. But Jamaica's resilience is undimmed. The PNP's vision of a nation secure, just, and free from corruption is within our reach. Mr. Speaker, let us champion this change together. Let us build a Jamaica where safety is not bought at the cost of liberty, where prosperity is not stolen by the corrupt. But let us put Jamaica first, so every citizen can say, with pride, choose Jamaica, Jamaica nice. Choose a corrupt-free Jamaica.